let us know about the food of animals. Animals do not prepare their own food. They depend on plants and other animals. Therefore, animals are called as heterotropes. So, heterotropes are organisms that eat other plants or animals for the energy and nutrients. So, these heterotropes are known as the consumers because they consume the producers or other consumers. Human, animals, birds are the example for these heterotropes. So, these animals are also classified according to the food they eat. As all the animals do not eat the same types of food, so they can be classified into different types. So let us see for that. First one is herbivore. So these herbivore are the animals that eat only plants and plant products. Example for such animals are cattle, elephants, horse, rabbits, etc. Next one is a carnivore. So carnivore are the animals that eat only the other animals. So example for such are lions, tiger, wolf, etc. Next is omnivore. So omnivore are the animals that eat both plants and animals. So example for such animals are dogs, bears, birds, chicken, humans. Next characteristics is living beings grow. See, all the living beings grow from their birth to their death. But all the living beings will have their own phase of growth, but they will grow. See, all the human beings increase in their height and size. So this is called as a growth.